Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Morris County in northern New Jersey until 9:15 p.m. At 8:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Parsippany, or near Morristown, moving north at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Kinnelon, Boonton, Butler, Morris Plains, Mountain Lakes, Green Pond, Parsippany, and Lake Telemark. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 40 and 46. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 40 and 51. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following county: